Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Troop channel. In this video, we want to see how to use a virtual private network, so-called VPN. Alright. Now open your favorite browser. And then search for VPN book. Click on the first link over here. On the left side, we are seeing free VPNs. Now choose one among them, which I left to your wish. Now I'm choosing Canada VPN for now. Later, now open settings and head towards the network and internet, click on it. NOW, click on VPN. On the above we see that add a VPN, click on it. It takes towards another window. Now under the VPN provider select Windows built-in. And now under the connection name, give a random name of your wish. And under the server and address, I'm copying the site which is shown earlier. Now under the VPN type, select point-to-point tunneling protocol (PPTP) and hit enter. Under the type and sign-in info, select the first one, username and password. Give the password which is shown on the website. After completing this, click on the Save button. Now your VPN shows there. Click on it and connect to it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Tech Troop channel for the latest updates.